I can't listen to this. That's angry.
She took her books and she threw them outside. And then Jamie came in, he knocked the door, like I found those books outside.
Huh? It was. Tough break.
He's like, please, please. No.
Do your homework in future. It'll be safer.
No.
Safer for everybody.
You know what's funny? I didn't do it either.
And I'm sure this is the one time you were quiet in class.
No, she asked me, Faisal, what's the answer? And then I gave her a random answer, and then she wrote it down on the board.
Were you right?
No, I knew I was wrong, but like...
And did you do your best stupid face, like, oh.
Yeah, I thought that I miscalculated something.
Got something out, and he pointed out that 73%. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
You have to learn how to be creative.
That won't work on me because I don't check your homework. Okay.
Writing on the table there.
Yeah, I can be tricked by the owl. I don't really have anything. Now, this is physics or math?
This is math tutorial, right?
No.
Oh! Don't listen to that fool. This is math. And last time we did integration of proper partial fractions, right? Okay, so improper. All good, Fuang? Oh, where's he at here? Do not flash that.
He's in UAE.
Now you realise, because this is being recorded and there's no video, someone's going to watch this and hear me say to you, don't flash that, put that away, don't flash that, and they're sitting there listening going, what is going on? Faisal, quit flashing in class.
I'll wear my clothes properly.
Thank you. Pack that away and stop flashing, thank you. Alright, let's see. Maths Part 2, Engineering.
Last time we did improper, now we're doing proper, right? No,
We did integration of proper.
No, improper.
No.
Dude, I know what we did. We did integration of proper.
Yeah, he's asking, are we doing integration of improper?
Correct, if that's what you're asking.
No.
That's not what he's asking. Then you're wrong.
We don't know the lesson he says proper. Yeah.
Yes. And look. Never mind. Now we're looking at. This is what we did last time.
Oh my God.
Integration of proper.
Oh, damn.
No.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yes.
Faisal, did you have a little accident in class? It's okay, it happens for everyone.
No, I was like...
No, don't be embarrassed, it's okay.
It didn't leak. My yogurt didn't leak. Don't laugh. And then my yogurt didn't leak.
Leaking accidents are okay. It's okay. It's nothing to be ashamed of.
Lucky.
Alright. Now, can you write this down? This is what we're having a look at. Now, integration of improper partial fractions. So again, these are quite tricky, but there's nothing special about them. They're just lots to do. And just like last time, I think this lesson works best if we have a couple of examples and then we practice a couple. So, I will do the first one. Please write this down and I will do it. So if you can just write this one down and I'll do it. Can you see that okay? Andrew, do you need me to zoom in a bit?
What's the difference between this and what we did?
They're harder.
But I mean, like, they're the same.
Yeah, how do you reckon? Yeah. These are improper because the numerator is a power equal or higher than the denominator. Whereas with proper, the numerator is always a power lower than the denominator.
It's the exact same question from proper, like 1A.
Exact same question
No.
from improper partial fractions, likely. Yes. He wants to know how is this different to the last lesson. And I said this is different because the power here is bigger than the power here.
This is what we did.
Correct. We did do that, but we never integrated it.
Okay.
So we just do the same, but we integrate the thing we get.
Correct. But it'll also give us a chance to practice some of these a bit more.
Yeah, I was looking at the wrong
And that's what
No.
he was asking me.
You're looking at the wrong chapter. I did the same mistake. The very next page.
This?
The very next page.
No, this one.
The very next page.
Oh,
The next
page. Can I start? Yes? Okay.
Oh, but wait, what do you answer for that question?
I'm going to do it now.
What?
What was my answer to him? My answer was, it's not the same because today we will also integrate. See? Integrate. Correct. Okay. Can I start it now, please? What?
My water bottle.
Panic over. You got your bottle. This should keep you quiet. Good. Right. Alright, let's have a look. What is the question here, please? Hang on, it's loading. Here we go. 2x cubed.
Minus 7x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 14x.
Huh?
Minus 14x.
Yeah.
Minus 23.
Yeah.
All over x squared. Minus 4x minus 5.
So what's the first step? Who remembers the first step? No? Yes. Integration. Long division is the first step. Very good. Yes. So x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now, Yusuf, when you divide a quadratic into a cubic, what's the result on the top? Yes. So the first is 2x. So that is 2x cubed. What the heck am I doing? Sorry, I'm having a bit of a breakdown. 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 14x minus 23. So first is 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 10x. Subtracting, and I'm left with x squared minus 4x minus 23. So finally it's just the 1, x squared minus 4x minus 5, and I'm left with minus 18.
Yes.
So far so good? Yes? Is that okay? So, gimme, come on. Yeah, this will calm me down. I'll just leave that here for when I need it. Okay. So, we can say this is equal to 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 4x minus 5 plus the remainder all over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. Which equals, integrate 2x plus 1 minus 18 over, and this I can actually factorize as, what's that, x minus 5, x plus 1 dx which equals integrate 2x plus 1 plus a over x minus 5 plus b over x plus 1. So what we're going to do now is then find the a and the b here. So this is kind of like on the side. So you have 18 over x minus 5 times x plus 1 equals a over x minus 5 plus b over x plus 1, which means you get 18 equals a, x plus 1, plus b, x minus 5. If you make x equal to 5, you get a equals 3, and then if you make x equal to minus 1, you get b is equal to minus 3, right? So, returning back to the question, this is integrate 2x plus 1. Now, I did not put the minus here. So, really, both of these get that minus there. So, I have to flip the signs around. Minus 3 over x minus 5 plus 3 over x, plus 1 dx. So integrating that becomes x squared plus x minus 3 log x minus 5 plus 3 log x plus 1 plus c. That's equal to x squared plus x, bring the 3 up, minus, so it's divide, so that's plus log x plus 1 over x minus 5 cubed, but I'll bring the 3 back down. That's the simplest I can make it. That's the answer.
What did you say about the negative sign?
Yeah, I left the minus the outside here when I was looking at this. Really, I should have put the minus here, because it's minus 18. But no matter, I'll just think about it as being in brackets and put the minus in later. They're not too bad, these types. They're not too bad. It gets a little bit of a pain when there's a tan inverse in there, which we'll do next. Well, I don't know. Do you want an easier one to start with or a harder one? How confident are you feeling today?
I just want Saturday to come.
Sadly, it's only Monday. I know that feel.
I just want to leave.
I know that feel, bro. I know that feel. You just want to leave? I will not stand in your way. The door is right there. I believe it works.
The door?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to try it?
You're okay right now. You don't need to try it. I have your toy. You'll not be distracted. Unless I start playing with it, and then that'll distract you. Actually, maybe I should start doing the things that annoy me, so I can just start... No, hang on. I need more of a bass to it. Something like this.
It's not fun.
And maybe I should start singing to myself as well. 1970s song or something. Some by the Bee Gees, perhaps. Staying alive. Indeed. Okay.
Stephen, I have a quick question.
Yes.
The topic about the mappings and functions.
Yes? Tutorial.
No.
Yeah.
I just want to know, does it come quite frequently in the exams?
Yes.
Yes.
As in, I've seen it in every single exam. So, that's bad news, I take it.
Yeah.
Yes. Although the good news is, it's a little easier in the exam than what's in the workbook. You do get the odd hard question, but I find most of the time it's quite a manageable question. Because most of the time it's just a matter of compose these functions together and find the inverse of this function. You know. Sometimes they ask you to identify if they're one, many, one, or many. But often that's from a graph, and you can use the horizontal and vertical lines to test it. So it's not so bad. It's this one here that would be more difficult in the exam. Okay, did you write this down? Juan, you have questions? No?
Kind of.
Yeah, which part?
The first line, the 2x plus 1, go to the right.
Go to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minus there, that's it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Andrew just asked me about that. I said we can think of it as like brackets here,
Okay.
and then we can get the answer on the side, and then I can just put the minus back in. So instead of using 3, I used minus 3, and instead of using minus 3, I used 3. See? It's like, now I'm not saying it is, I'm saying it's like you're not listening to me. Now I didn't say you're not listening to me, I just said it's like you're not listening to me, okay? It's what?
She doesn't understand why you moved the minus 3 and
I'm sorry. You're not listening to him.
No, the tower.
The powers, okay. So what I did was, I put the 3, here, okay, I'll show you on the side here. So what I had was this. Plus. Now I can't put these together because these are here. I can't put them together. So what I did was I brought them up to the top, then I put it together, and then I brought it back down. Do you understand? I brought it up to the power, I put it together, and then I brought it back down. So up, together, and then back down. Any other questions? No? You're good? Okay. Continuing then. Let's make it a bit harder. Oh, I better plug my laptop in. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. Come on. Maybe. Should really plug this in. Let's do a nice hard one. Yeah. H is a good one. Let's do H. Try H. And I'm going to do it now in a minute, but I want you to try it first.
You said H2.
By the way, H is the type you get in the exam.
Yeah, but the question I asked this group.
Sorry. Try H first and then I'll do it.
I was thinking about what the Galway Mayo.
You made a decision?
Not yet. I was thinking, but like what I came to, because there is a scholarship, so that would benefit the CV a lot.
Oh yeah, you can say on the CV,
Yeah.
I'm a scholarship student.
Yeah.
That's true too, actually. That's a good idea. Didn't even think about that aspect to it. You get bragging rights. Nice. Yeah, that's another factor to think about. Have you planned to visit Galway Mayo soon?
That's the thing. I'll have to skip a day off in college.
If only there was some time off coming up soon where you could.
I'm traveling.
Don't you have a week holiday next week?
I'm traveling.
Okay.
I'm going on Saturday.
Where are you going?
Amman, where I live.
When you're ready to go to Galway Mayo?
Friday.
You really want to spend time with your family instead of going to Galway Mayo?
That's the thing. My friends come from my family.
Can't you go on the weekend, Galway Mail?
They want, it's a college, they want to be open on the weekend, that's the thing.
They'll be open, there just might not be staff around. But they'll be
Yeah.
open. You want to talk to someone then?
Yeah, if I'm going all the way, I might as well see someone.
Might as well. Just pick a day where you have the least number of hours with me.
Friday.
No, sorry, I mean the most. Sorry. What am I thinking?
Friday we have like only 3 hours, and one of them is like ESAP or something.
Also, 2 hours like classes, content.
Oh no, it's 3 hours. 2 physics and 1 math, or 2 math and 1 physics.
I'll just have to take the hit.
Math.
Are you trying this one? Come on. H.
No. My future is more important than H right now.
True, but unless you do well in this exam, you ain't got no future. So try H.
All you want to see is math.
So why are you even here?
I got
Why don't you just leave me alone?
And I used up for the thing, that's it, I'm settled.
Well, if the only you see in maths and you're so confident, maybe you could be my teaching assistant. You can help the other students.
That's mine. You know, it's so sad, we only have... Oh, okay, I'll say this later.
Should I go and try H, please?
Just for you.
Just for me.
Oh, give me.
I dropped it.
Don't break it.
It's too late. I already did.
No, that's when it comes out, then I'll shine. Balance is on one finger.
Yeah? It's possible?
Yes.
Whoa.
The faster it is, the more balance.
It's distracting me now.
The balance is on your nose.
That's advanced level.
Think of all the possibilities.
Endless. How are we doing in H now?
Too long.
Too long, didn't read?
Right?
That's an internet thing, never mind.
Yes, that is the thing.
You clearly don't have the internet where you come from. Too long for you two?
It's a good one.
What happened if you
Use that? How? What?
the I?
Ah, that means no root. So only one root, I think. I know.
Image.
That? Imaginary. There's a fuang. It means there's only one root. So it's linear and quadratic.
Well, it has a root, but it's not whole number.
Like what?
3.67.
No, your calculator should be in fraction mode. Why is it giving it to you like that?
Maybe because it doesn't have a fraction.
Bro, it's a Casio. It has to have.
No, it doesn't have a fraction, that number.
This one doesn't. This one here doesn't have a nice root.
Yeah, I asked that.
3.696.
Dude, I'm gonna check right now.
Only got one root.
Yeah. The first one is 9.
We got 3.6.
There, that's the first root.
Yeah, but
And it only has one root.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, then yeah, that's one.
No.
That is not a root. That is not a root.
anyone.
Just one root. Look. Just one root.
I'm still getting 3.69.
3.69. Dude, how? It's not even close. The answer is 1.8.
It's not wrong here.
Which one's the Steven?
This is quite a
show you the most awesome thing ever.
Is it?
Yes.
This is quadratic.
No, cubic.
Too late, bro.
What?
You do this,
Yeah?
and it's a ruler.
You just take my food.
Come on, wake back up. Ah, never mind.
No.
This is already broken. Your phone's already
It's
broken.
not on my phone. Do you see this white part?
You're stealing people's phones now.
If you just give us one that doesn't require us to long divide twice.
Sure, and just at the start of the exam, put all your requests into the box, and they will make the exam as you like it. Yeah. Or I could prepare you for the type of questions you'd get in the exam. I saw no selfies in class, please.
But it's not my phone. Do you want to join?
No, thanks, please.
Nice ruler.
No, Faisal, please. Everyone is working on this. I'd like you to as well. Did you get an answer?
2 over 3 over.
But the last one, I don't know how to...
Oh, you're saying you got 2 out of 3 of the answer.
Yeah.
I thought you said you got an answer of 2 over 3. That's quite confusing because there's no numbers. I understand. You have 2/3 of the answer. Yeah. So these questions are too hard for Lee.
No, I haven't seen
You haven't seen them before. If only I did this in class recently. Wait. I think I did these last week when you were asleep. Right? Remember? I was teaching and you were there sleeping. Remember?
But I remember
You remember nothing. You were asleep.
I remember the original one, but it's like you change the number. I don't know. Okay.
This is what happens when you sleep. Salon, you get an answer? How much of an answer do you have? Yeah. Yusuf?
I don't know.
What's that mean? Like you have some answer, no answer?
It's just that I don't have an answer.
You're stuck? Where? Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wrong.
Wrong or what?
Quite wrong.
What way?
I don't know. What you got, you shouldn't get. Andrew, how's this one going?
It's going.
How far are you in the process?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What's that, 50%?
Yeah.
If I just picked a random percent, would you agree with it?
I really like the
It's not F. Oh, -1.
No.
Oh, no. Negative integration of 1 over x squared minus
1 over x squared minus 5.
5.
Yes.
What do you have?
Minus 5? Not plus 5?
Oh, plus 5.
That's better.
It's 1 over u squared plus 7.
Huh?
No,
I just-
no,
I just give you
no,
the
no,
example.
no, 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 you make the wrong substitution.
dx
You should have 1 over u squared plus 1.
Yeah.
dx.
You made a mistake with the u. What?
Do we need to use the quotient rule?
No.
Oh.
Because quotient rule is for differentiation, which is a different chapter. Is it time to do it?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
Not shoot the messenger.
Lee, what did you say u is? No, make u equal to, I don't know, x plus 1 over 7. Yeah.
That we made it.
Maybe over root 7 or 7?
Yeah. No, no.
Come on guys, this is taking an amazing amount of time. You don't have this much time in the exam. Are you finished at Faisal? Or have you given up on it? Or you never really committed to it to begin with?
Huh?
How much of it have you actually done?
Edge?
Yes.
I found the root.
The root of what? The cubic?
Yes.
Wow.
No. The double quadratic. Oh, fire.
This?
Yes.
You got the roots of this?
Yes. It's a different method. You find the roots of both.
Does this have roots?
One.
It has a root?
Yeah.
Are you sure? By different method, do you mean the wrong method?
No, choose to work all the ones before.
Yes, before. Okay, guys, I really should do it now. Either you have it or you don't. Lee, come on. You have it or you don't. You don't have it. Juan? Don't have it. Don't have it. Juan? Have it or don't have it. No, you either have it or you don't have it. Which? Faisal, you don't have it. Right, can you read it out to me? Did you write it down at least?
10x to the power 4.
Thanks.
I got.
What's this, like your Street Fighter victory pose or something?
10x to the power 4.
Thank you, sorry. 10x power 4.
No, 7x plus 44x squared minus 94x minus 134 over 5x cubed d plus x squared plus 22x minus 72. Yeah, b.
Hey, dude. Step 1. What, step 1? Long division. What was at the end? 139?
4.
134. Right, so there's only a linear here at 2x, right? 10x 4 plus 2x cubed. Oh, interesting. Plus 44x squared minus 144x. Leaving me with 5x cubed. What's that? 50x?
No, serious.
Yeah, but this one. Yeah, no, Faisal, please. I'm fully aware that this minus this makes 0, okay? I'm quite insulted that you think I wouldn't know that. 50x, is it? minus 134. And then next is 1. So you get 5x cubed plus x squared plus 22x minus 72 minus x squared. What's that? Minus 20, no, plus 28x minus what? 62. So, this I can write as equal to 2x plus 1, right, times 5x cubed plus x squared plus 22x minus 72, then the remainder, all over, what am I doing? 5x cubed plus x squared plus 22x minus 72 minus x squared plus 28x minus 62, which equals 2x plus 1 plus minus x squared plus 28x minus 62 over 5x cubed plus x squared plus 22x minus 72. Now, let's see if this one has nice roots. Hold your horses.
Oh, the one has one.
Yeah, 5x minus 9, and that is it. So, back to long division.
Yeah, and then you will
Well, just you keep putting me down, man. You keep
I'm trying this, I'm like, anyway.
x squared. What's wrong, Kwang?
You put it in right.
Here I want I'm looking for the factors.
What? That's not remember.
No, yeah, it should be 0. Minus 9x squared, 10x squared, plus 22x minus 72, plus 2x, 10x squared minus 18x. What's that now? 40, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
40x minus 72. So this one is plus 8, which makes 40x minus 72. So that's good. So now I can go back here and say this is integrate 2x plus 1 plus a over 5x minus 9 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2x plus 8 dx. Now we have to find the a, b and c here. It's supposed to match up with this. So here I get on the side minus x squared plus 28x minus 62 over 5x cubed plus x squared plus 22x minus 72 equals a over 5x minus 9 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2x plus 8. So that means minus x squared plus 28x minus 62 equals a x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus bx plus c 5x minus 9. Right, what would we choose first? 9 over 5, huh? So let's see what we got here. Minus answer squared plus 28.
No.
Don't worry, it's under control. Plus 28 answer minus 62. And then that's going to be all over then the x squared plus 2x plus 8. So that's answer squared plus twice the answer plus 8. Minus 1 for A. Okay, what should I choose next? 0, isn't it? And this will give me the C. So that will be minus 62 and then plus 1 times 8, and I take that over, and then 0 on the x, and then divide by minus 9. 6 then for the C. Then I'll just use anything for the last one, so I'll use 1. So minus 1 plus 20, minus 1 plus 28 minus 62 plus 1 times 1 plus 2 plus 8. And then, what did I just say? And then I'll divide by minus 4. And that gives me the bx plus c. That's b plus c. So then minus 6. So interestingly, b is 0 here. So I go back here and I have integrate 2x plus 1 minus 1 over 5x minus 9 plus 6 over x plus 1 squared plus 7 dx. So this is x squared plus x minus 1/5 log 5x minus 9 plus 6 integrate 1 over x plus 1 squared plus 7 dx. For this one here, we make u equal to x plus 1 over root 7. So that means du dx equals 1 over root 7. So that means dx equals root 7 du. Also means that root 7u equals x plus 1. So this is x squared plus x minus 1 over 5 log 5x minus 9 plus 6 integrate dx, which is root 7 du. Root x plus 1 squared is 7u squared plus 7. So that is x squared plus x minus 1/5 log 5x minus 9 plus 6 root 7 over 7 tan inverse u, which is x plus 1 over root 7 plus c. As simple as that. Long, but this will be like 8 marks in the exam. So effectively a grade.
What happened when we went from, like when the news started going into the thing, this 6 integrates,
Yeah.
what, like the denominator with this one?
I completed the square.
Magic, bro.
I completed the square on, where the heck's it gone?
There.
Where?
This one.
Hold on.
Stop moving. It's the first line.
No, you want, this came from here.
Yeah.
And this is me completing the square on something, this. I completed the square on it.
Okay. No, I mean like the 7u squared plus 7.
No.
The 7u squared plus, oh this! Yeah. X plus 1 is root 7u. So x plus 1 squared is this squared. No writing on boys, please, for one. Did you just write your number on his hand? What is that even? I don't know. No, still doesn't make sense.
It's a 3 and then bigger than.
Go hard.
Yes.
I think you answer only for this one.
Do you? Let's see.
But I would certainly.
Let's see. 6 root 7 over 7. 6 root 7 over 7. Tan inverse x plus 1 over 7. Tan inverse. Oh, well, of course. That's a stupid typo. That shouldn't be root x, that should be root 7. Is that it? It's a simple typing mistake.
Sure, that's what they all say.
Yeah, I meant to have root x here. The coefficient of x is root x. Yes. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Lee. You're very helpful sometimes. Okay, did you write this down? Since nobody got it except maybe Lee.
Why don't we zoom in? Einstein would be jealous.
Of what?
Me?
Would he? Your hair, is it?
No, who thought of this? Except to me. Make everything bigger.
Einstein would be jealous.
Doesn't have all this image.
No, he doesn't. Okay, did you write this down?
Yeah.
Yep. One? Yep. Yusuf? One? Okay. What are you trying to understand? How Faisal can be this annoying? I don't know, it's a mystery.
In the second line.
Here.
You bring it back. It's a formula.
I integrate it. Yes, using a formula. Here.
Yeah.
That's what Yusuf asked me. Yusuf? Well, no, he didn't ask me this, but I answered it. Where did this come from?
Taking square.
Yeah, I complete the square. And that C is 6 and B is 0. Yeah?
Like for the second line.
This line?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do I get this?
Yeah.
Well,
You don't want,
this.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
But it's the same.
you don't want the
It
IT.
is. What's different?
The integration side.
Yeah.
You need to ready the other one. That's not in.
Here, integration. Integrate. 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 What?
The integrate back.
The integration? Yes? No. Don't say never mind. What? Hang on. First, let me ask you a question. This okay or not okay?
Oh, okay.
This is okay. This? Okay. Is that the door?
Italian.
Hey! I kind of remember you and you. What the heck are you doing here? Really? You're like Orson High School or something, aren't you? These are engineers. You surely don't talk to these guys, right?
We might have a teacher.
And you want these guys to build it? Oh, no way, man. No! You just want to talk to them for a few minutes.
I actually want to talk to
Omar! Oh, wow! He's all ready for you. Go on outside.
in text during class, so you might want to consider that.
I know to watch out for Omar, yeah. Yeah, okay. That's okay. I'm not letting you pass in, though.
If you're not, I can come back.
What are you doing?
نخليه هي تدرس ويانا.
Oh, that's
شنو؟ Omar Huang's like your friend Huang. Omar's friend.
He used to be in the IFC.
Omar?
No, Omar's friend.
The guy.
Oh.
And now he's in the RCS.
internship or just in sort of college hospital?
They will also.
Yeah, that's what that. Because that's what I'm told about that. I'm stressing out.
How do you differentiate x plus 1 over square root will become 1 over square root
1 over x plus 1.
x plus 1 over square root you differentiate it with the other one.
So you're talking about the u?
Yeah.
Oh, you get the x plus 1 and you want
No, chill now. Chill now. When he comes in, ask for
x
it.
plus 1.
But then it's double algebra.
Don't rush Omar back in.
And root 7 becomes root 7.
What?
Some of your students are requesting a break, and some of them are requesting the guy.
I'm requesting an explanation.
And some are requesting
Hold on. What do you need to know?
The differentiation part.
I didn't do it. Oh, this!
d over dx equals.
This!
Yeah, I got the part.
The easiest part.
Yeah, but how does root 7 stay root 7 even after differentiation?
Breaking my heart. U equals 1 over root 7x plus 1 over root 7.
Yeah, that's not 1 over 7 root.
That's the same as that, agreed?
No.
No.
What do you mean no? I divided both of these by root 7.
Oh, he does. Yeah,
So the derivative is just this, yeah?
no. Yes.
You two went to high school, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Same year? No, surely not the same year.
Since grade 9, yeah?
You were in the same year as him?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
4 years.
And is he the one who recommended this school?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Okie dokie.
Now
It's
you're
that.
not to listen to him again?
That's the last time I take your advice.
Is he getting
Oh, so
paid?
yeah, commission. What's a commission? Yeah. Is this okay now, guys? No.
Yes, what?
No, Juan, this has to be okay. It has to be. What's wrong with this?
Ah, okay.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Don't know. Let me just see what is next. You said you wanted a break? Take 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, 10 minutes? Okay.
What are you doing? Are you going to get a frappuccino or something? Go get your frappuccino ASAP and come straight back, slurping along the way, okay? Come on, Sonny, you want a frappuccino? What's your alternative? They have contactless payment in the canteen. This morning I paid for my porridge with contactless, and they said, oh no, there's a minimum order of $4.50. And I picked up their little poster at the till and pointed to it saying, but it says no minimum transaction. And they said, oh, let me check. I said, okay, I'll let you pay this time, but not next time. And then took the poster and put it under the table. I'm outraged. What?
My
They're playing nicely with the other children. He's trouble. Troublemaker. Did you talk to that boy on the bus? Oh, not good?
She's still trying to find out where he lives, his number, his address, his everything, right? She's, as she puts it, researching him.
Good. No, it's important too.
Yeah. No.
Autism.
It is important. He could be a loser. You don't want that.
I don't want the mailman. I want the mailman.
He's better than the mailman.
And I meet them twice.
Good.
The
Good.
mailman just once.
Just once is not enough to decide. No, at least twice. Minimum twice.
And now I know that he lives near my house.
The mailman?
No, the guy.
But
And he also takes the first stop, asked me the first stop.
so this means you wait at the bus stop with him.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
So
Good.
now I have to find the time he takes.
So what you need to do is watch the weather. Then a morning when it's raining, you need to bring an extra big umbrella. Then when you're at the bus stop, you can say, "Oh, would you like to share the umbrella?"
I have the huge umbrella.
Good. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Now the only problem is this week it's supposed to be very sunny, and then next week you're on holidays, so you'll have to wait at least 2 weeks.
Yeah, I also use.
But you won't be taking the bus.
So you're a big upload.
But how to start to topic thing? How to start?
You've a much better chance asking these guys. They are closer in age to him than I am.
But you Irish person.
Not important. Boys are the same everywhere.
Really?
There's not much cultural difference. You guys like video games? Fast and Furious? There you go.
So what to do?
Yeah, give her some advice. What to do?
Yeah, what to do?
See, they know nothing. They're useless.
And be yourself.
You know who you need to ask? Yahya. I'd say he knows. Yeah.
He's studying class.
I know, it's a problem. It's a problem. Tough break.
What about Andrew?
Andrew.
He may know. Or Lee.
Lee.
No.
He's a professional of math. Maybe he's also a professional of... No? Better?
Faisal. No way.
No.
He'll tell you to start singing to them.
Who I can trust?
Who's your tutor?
Tutor?
Yeah.
Oh my
Maybe Emer can help.
English is good, no?
But she's very wise.
But she not know voice as you.
I'd say she knows them better.
But you are...
I'm very unusual. Very different.
At least some advice.
Some small advice.
Yeah.
Does he use his phone?
Not much. If I use my research,
You see, you could do something like, you could say, "Oh, I have no battery left. Can I use your phone?" And then afterwards you can say, "Oh, thank you. My name's Suang."
battery left, and then what?
You can say, "I've no battery on my phone. Can I borrow your phone?"
To do what?
Doesn't matter, that's not important. And then afterwards you can say, "Oh, thank you. My name's Suang. What's your name?"
And then you say his name, and then?
I don't think that would work.
You don't think that would work? I think that's a brilliant idea. No.
But I also bring the power bank.
But he doesn't, yes, exactly. He doesn't need to know this.
Can I bring it up or lunch to...
No, that's too much now. No. Tone it back. No.
But the problem is, I never lie. I don't know how to lie.
But then you can turn the phone off and then say, "My phone is off. Can I use yours? Then you're not lying. It's true.
Yeah.
Think about it. Think about it.
You lost your wallet and you got me back.
Also true. Also true. Yes, 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 yes. These are all good ideas.
Is it
You think about it.
that when you lose something in here, you can find it?
Yes. No, it is. I have a student who lost their passport on Grafton Street.
For example, they only need the money from the wallet, and after that they will call it again.
Yeah, because identity card, they don't need that.
Yeah, but I'd say now, it depends who found it. You know, I'd say 50-50 chance a good person found it and will give it into the police or into a shop or the school.
But like the bad guy who's there,
You're right, like Omar said, they'll just take the money and then throw it away.
but Andrew also said maybe they tie my name and then tie my address and then.
Don't listen to Andrew. He's from Egypt now. He's not from Israel. Maybe they'll do that in Egypt, but not here. No. The only thing that'll happen, the worst case is they'll just take the money. I think so. Do you have anything with your address on it?
I only have cards.
Only have the GNIB card?
GNIB, KBC Bank.
That's all okay. You can.
And also student card, Tesco Club card.
The Tesco Club card is fine. They're not going to steal that.
Student bus card,
Yeah.
but it's not money.
Yeah, but you can cancel all these cards. Did you cancel your bank card? Good.
No, block.
Yeah, blocked it. Yeah, good. Yeah. And your GNIB card? Do you have to go to GNIB now? Probably. Probably have to go to GNIB. Yeah.
But it's only